Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use this X bot to send mass DMs. Alright, so this is the tool. This is the account management section. Here you can add as many accounts as you want and use them to send DMs. I just click login and the software will log in automatically. Before sending DMs, make sure to warm up your accounts. Now this is the DM section. The first step is creating the content you want to send. Go to Content Management. This is where all your message templates are stored. Click Add Post. Choose the DM category. Set the content type to message and enter a title. I've already prepared the message here. You can also create a spin structure, so the bot will randomly pick one of the texts separated by the vertical bar. You can upload images or videos too. I'll add one more content. After we have the two content items, we go back to the DM section and select them. Then choose the account category you want to use for DM. Below that, you can choose to message your followers or send to a list of users. I'll enter the user list here. You can scrape users using the software. You can also enable auto-delete after sendings, so any user who has been messaged will be removed to avoid duplicates. Here you can allow duplicate content and set how many messages each account will send. When running DMs, you need a premium subscription so your account won't be restricted. These accounts aren't premium yet, so some users may not receive the messages. You need to subscribe to Premium on X. Below that is the delay time between messages. For example, after sending to the first user, the bot will wait for the delay you set before sending to the next user. This helps avoid being flagged as a bot. I'll set it to 30 to 150 seconds. Enter your passcode here. The total account number can be unlimited like mine. You can also enable no duplicate user targets. After that, set the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts run at the same time. If I set 8, then 8 accounts will run first, and after they finish, it will move to the next 8 until all accounts are done. Then click Start. The tool will open the windows and auto-DM for you. As I said earlier, you need Premium before sending messages. If you don't have a passcode, the bot will auto-create one, then search for users and begin DMing. Sometimes you may encounter Cloudflare, but the bot will solve it automatically. You can watch everything live on the screen. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you all in the next video.